Do you like your new jammies? What do they have on them?
Cars.
Yeah? What kind of cars?
Handy Manny cars.
Are they? From Handy Manny's Big Race? Nice.
One more new Handy Manny.
Do you love them? What are we going to watch?
Handy Manny.
No, what did Dad just say we're going to watch?
No. American Idol.
Does that sound good?
Because I love singing. It's a singing show.
It is a singing show. Would you like me to get some water for you? I'm videoing you.
Can I jump up?
Yes, do it. You'll see a nice big jump. Excellent. That was good.
Can you take a video with me with the camera?
I am.
You can?
Yeah, what are you going to do on the video?
Then you click.
I already did click. It's rolling tape. We're rolling tape even now. Woo! Good one. Anything you'd like to say? What?
Style Candy Manny. Candy Manny.
How about some good counting in Spanish?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Say.
Don't say.
Good. We went from 6 to 12. Good job. What comes after 7 though? What comes after? What comes after siete?
Doce.
No, ocho.
Ocho.
And then what comes after ocho?
11.
Good.
10.
Good.
Once.
There's once.
Doce.
Yay. Good work.